Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert your decimal value to binary value in C++ program. So this is our main body, and first we declare the function that's name is decimal to binary, and we take a data type that's integer, and then we define the same function. So we copy it and paste in next line. Define function. So first in main body we get the value from the user, see out, enter the decimal value, and terminate it, and see in n, and then we go to the function. In binary value we have two values, 0 and 1. So we use the if we have n is equal to 0 or n is equal to 1, then print the n value. See the program and return 0. If we use not return 0, the program does not work. So we again copy it and paste it, and modulus 2, that's give us remainder, and same we n divided by 2, it gives the value n is equal to 0, and terminate it. And in main body we get the answer that's coming from the function. So finally run it by pressing the F11 button in dev C++. First we save this, wait a minute, enter any value. So there we go, we get our binary value. Boom. Again